Hey guys, Star here. If you have an e-commerce store or you want to sell print-on-demand merchandise, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily integrate Printify into HighLevel. This will allow you to have access to over thousands of products in over 85 global print-on-demand companies. Let's go ahead and get started. Once on the sub-account level, just go ahead and click on App Marketplace. Once you've selected App Marketplace, you want to go ahead and select Sub-Account View, as we're going to go ahead and integrate this into our sub-account. Then you're going to search the marketplace apps for Printify. Once you've found Printify, go ahead and select it so that you can integrate it with the sub-account. Here, you're going to see a blue button that says Install. Go ahead and install it. Now, once you install it, you're going to see an option at the bottom that says Allow and Install. Let's select that. Your authentication is successful. So now you'll be taken to settings where we need to go ahead and add your Printify token. So go ahead and log into Printify. Once you're logged into Printify, on the lower left-hand side, you're going to go ahead and select Account. You'll see an option called Connections. Click Connections. Here, we're going to go ahead and generate your API token. There's going to be a green button that says Generate. Let's go ahead and select it. Here, you're going to name your token name. Now, be sure to select all scopes for full access. Then click Generate Token. Once you've generated that token, we're going to go ahead and select Copy to Clipboard. Now we can head back over to the app integration and copy and paste that data. From here, we're going to go ahead and select Continue. Now, you'll be given the option to choose a store. Let's go ahead and select our store. Then, click on Connect. Now, you'll see that our store is fully integrated because you'll see that there's a red disconnect button. How exciting! You're now integrated with one of the largest print-on-demand catalogs with over 1,000 products that you have access to uploading to your e-commerce store. So guys, start selling today. And remember, orders will sync automatically to Printify for fulfillment. So be sure to enable the automatic fulfillment in Printify. Go ahead and check out the related help doc below for more information on this training. And don't forget to check out the Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.